Hi guys, it's Avas from 20 Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to log out on Twitter from all devices. So let's get started. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to log out on Twitter from all devices. So let's get started. So guys, to log out on Twitter you have to simply open your Google Chrome, type in search bar twitter.com. So guys, to log out from your account you have to simply click on this option, and here you can see two options: add an existing account and log out from this account. So to log out you have to simply click on this option and simply click on log out. But if you log out on Twitter from all devices, you have to simply click on more. Now in more you can see the option of settings and support. So click on it. Now in this option you can see the option of settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Here you can see the option of security and account access. So click on security and account access. In this option you can see the option of apps and sessions. So click on it. Now here you can see the option of sessions. So click on sessions. So in session you can see the option of current active session or log out of other sessions. So to log out from all other sessions, simply you can see the option of log out of all other sessions. So before log out all other sessions, first you have to simply read this carefully and then simply click on log out of all other sessions. So click on it and simply click on log out. So guys, here you can see we have log out on Twitter from all devices. So you can also log out on Twitter from all devices by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.